If you're one of the 7 billion people who own a Ford F-150, then pay attention to this video. The ever-popular Ford F-150 3.5-liter EcoBoost is a great engine for daily drivers and enthusiasts across the world, but sometimes it can feel a little flat on power. With BD's new F-150 Screamer, we offer you the chance to enhance your EcoBoost to a level mirroring that of the Raptor F-150 EcoBoost, increasing your performance when compared to the stock turbo. The larger compressor wheel allows for increased mass airflow, boost, and top-end power, while decreasing drive pressures and lowering EGTs. This Screamer drops into the factory location and mounts using factory hardware. The kit also includes all new gaskets and studs for install. BD's Screamer turbo line is known for increased performance across a wide variety of engines. We're pleased to now offer a 3.5-liter EcoBoost Screamer to join our extensive lineup of high-quality VSR balanced performance turbos. For more information, check out our website at bddiesel.com.